So I came home today and I have a little bit of a weird thing happening to my tree. Yeah, so that's strange, right? Um, Let me see what this is all about. Interesting. Let's see here. Ooh.
Hello, Ragtag Daydreamer. I am the not-so-average builder, and I challenge you to a duel of Gunpla building. May the best man win. It is the Zaku Warrior. Master Grade. Challenge accepted.
Ragtag Daydreams is sponsored by NewTypeHQ.com. Welcome back, Daydreamer, and hope that you really liked that intro. It was something that I wanted to do that was a little bit different and to introduce the collaboration that myself and the Not-So-Average Builder are going to do together. We are going to be taking this kid, the Zaku Warrior, and we are going to be customizing it to the best of our abilities during the month of January. And I got news for you. I'm really excited about it. Then we are going to auction it off in some way, some fashion. Those details are still being worked out, but we're going to auction it off and all proceeds are going to go to charity. So basically, just keeping up the giving outside of the giving season. I've actually met Tom, the Not-So-Average Builder, in person, and he's a really cool guy, and he's one of my favorite YouTubers when it comes to learning about building dioramas, painting, miniatures, hand painting skills, and just overall, like, how to customize a Gunpla. And it's really flattering that he wants to do a collab with me. I, of course, definitely want to do a collab with him. So you'll see more of that stuff coming up in future episodes. But let's do some more work on the G-Gundam because I've got to get that figured out before I start on a new project or it'll never get done. Let's begin. Okay, so here is our big boy. Yep, that's where we're at. I went ahead and put a light coat of the yellow I'm going to use on everything, and now I need to basically clean all that up and make it look better. So let's do that. Going to be using some gold yellow from Vallejo Game Air. We're going to be hand painting this guy this week. Really light coats until I'm where I want to be. How did you let me do that? Why would you let me totally hit that? Why didn't no one tell me? Oh yeah, because it's not live, it's a video. And I'm dumb. Ugh! Hate it when shit like that happens. So you guys remember in the last video when I talked about how do you make your mistakes better? Or how to fix mistakes? Alright, nice wet brush right here at our mistake. Let's try to see if we can't get that out of there. Get out of there, mistake. Just flood the area a bit. I'm just flooding the area with water, and yeah, it will go like a little bit everywhere, but I had a little piece of, hopefully with a napkin or something, tissue, whatever you have, it will just absorb right up. Looking good. Alright, so it's actually a lot better than the huge screw up I just made. Like an idiot. Much better. Much better. Remember, it's not as much of how you're good at doing it the first time as how you fix your stupid mistakes. Like that. So, right in there, I was oversprayed because it was just kind of hard to tape and I didn't want to. I figured I would just go over it with some of this gray Vallejo air. So. You don't have to have the steadiest hand to do this kind of work. It just helps. There we go. Not too bad. Let's let that big guy dry for a minute. Start on this stuff. Move around back. Oh no! His arm's in the way. Okay. Move around back. Again, you guys can see I'm not very steady-handed at this stuff, but it doesn't look like complete garbage. That'll have to get touched up a little bit. But the other side came out just fine. I also know I want to use this light gray and do some panel accents on this guy as well. So instead of just taping everything off again and spraying, we're just going to hand paint. Okay, so while that's drying, let's work on fixing this guy's jacket. I do like everything else that he's got going on. It's been sitting on a shelf for a while, so it's a little dusty. And I've got some kind of a pre-shaded almost kind of thing with the jacket, and I was like, oh, I'll just leave it like that. That looks okay. It doesn't look okay. I really want to do something better with that. So I actually have just some kind of, I don't know, just things I've gotten in kits. This is a regular landscape. I use this for crappy paint for dioramas and things like that. But I think that's a pretty good in-between of these two colors. And I think what I'm going to do is try to mainly use this brown and go over everything and see what I can do with that. So I didn't actually have a brown that I liked a lot, but this looks pretty good. Let's give it a try. Yeah, I think it's already looking better. Okay. So we'll add a few more coats to this guy this way, and that random brown paint that I found looks like it's going to be pretty good. But this is what will be on our diorama. It took me forever to get the face even remotely right. Alright guys, I think that's where we're going to stop it today. Okay, so this was kind of the episode for a lot of mistakes. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. Look at this thing. Would you just look at it? It's a little blown out because I'm getting it closer to the light and the lens, but I mean, don't get me wrong, it's coming along, but like the spot, like this spot right here, that spot right there that I had paint on my freaking on my finger. Now that little tantrum is over, I had paint on my finger and I touched the model, and that's what it left behind. So that's it's day one stuff, and I should have known better, but I didn't. So this is of course a work in progress. We're gonna have mistakes. Like I say, guys, you know, it's just up to you to like figure out how you can make up for those mistakes. That's part of getting better. I think that's where some really good skills when it comes to modeling or painting things and stuff like that. Like how do you fix those minor mistakes that kind of tend to happen? Whenever you can figure that stuff out, I think that's how you grow. So, just my opinion. Anyway, I hope you're looking forward to the Zaku Warrior build like I am, and I really hope that you guys go and check out Not So Average Builder's channel here on YouTube. Tom's a great guy, and he does fantastic content. I hope everybody had a great New Year's, and here's to a great 2020. As always, check out these videos if you want to see more from my channel. Feel free to comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Share it with somebody that you think may enjoy it. And until next time, I'm Justin, your Ragtag Daydreamer, and I'll see you soon.